Shouts out to Social Status for letting me get an in-store raffle win on these. Even though people online was talking about is Backdoor City, I won fair and square. You see the box, so you already know what it is. On the plastic sleeve, it looks like somewhere in Colombia with J Balvin's logo serving as a sunset, because these are called the Medellin sunsets. And when you go ahead and take the sleeve off, he has this inscription on the bottom of the box. That same inscription is on the paper inside the box. And here we got the shoe.
Oh, shit.
Now the uppers on these, as you can see, is just a light tumbled black leather all the way around. Kind of soft too. It's a Jordan 3, so you know you gotta have that elephant print. This time it's dark gray. Then we got some waxed black laces and a yellow Jumpman sign on the tongue. Where this shoe really popped though is the gradient sunset hues all around the back, with Nike Air branding on the left heel of the shoe and J Balvin's branding on the right heel of the shoe. They even come with an extra set of orange laces to match that bright orange outsole. And if you need a new keychain, they come with a J Balvin hang tag instead of a Nike Air one. Even the insoles show all the hues of a sunset. To me, this is one of the better J Balvin collabs. The colors really pop on this shoe and they look really good on foot, but they really ain't need to be 250. Like, come on, man.
Shit.
That was way too much. Glad I got me a dub though.